Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome to the future, specifically 2030. Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence is not just a helping hand, but an integral part of our daily lives? Well, buckle up, because that's where we're headed. Picture this: you wake up and your AI assistant has already reviewed your schedule, monitored your health stats, and even figured out what mood you might be in. Your smart home adjusts the lighting and temperature just the way you like it. Even your fridge knows what you're craving and suggests meals based on your dietary needs. And of course, your car drives itself, no driver needed. This isn't a sci-fi movie, folks. It's 2030. Now let's talk about work. AI will evolve beyond simple tasks and start thinking, writing, and creating alongside us. Imagine a robot that not only writes articles but helps doctors diagnose illnesses. New digital jobs will spring up, and old ones will transform, blending human creativity with AI efficiency. The key will be collaboration, not competition. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. AI brings ethical challenges we can't ignore, like privacy, control, and fairness. Will AI surveillance cameras protect us or invade our privacy? These are crucial questions we need to answer to guide this powerful technology responsibly. So, are you ready for this AI-driven future? Will you adapt, learn, and lead, or be left behind? The future is here and it's moving fast. If you found this glimpse into 2030 exciting, make sure to like and subscribe to Council Craft. Stay smart, stay curious.